Okay, so hello. Hi, it's me. And here is my student ID to prove that it's actually me who's recording this video. And okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about my scientific blog. So the topic is Turing pattern, and I just want to talk a little bit about why I choose this topic, Turing pattern. So what interests me most was the idea that very complex things like zebra string fingerprints, or even like the distribution of planet in galaxy, are actually from just a few simple rules repeating again and again. And then for the structure, you can see I organize it more like a story instead of traditional academic essay. So at first there's a question. I use as a hook, like the pattern on the zebra. Is it white with black string or black with white strings? To catch readers' attention and make it more interesting. That for me is more easy to write, and for the readers it's more easy, or they would have more interest to read it. And then slowly I introduced Turing's theory of activator and inhibitors, and of course the battle around it. And after, here is the battle. And then I expanded the topic from animal patterns to like the chemical waves, and even the galaxy before turning back to the zebra question. I also tried to show the critical analysis instead of only talking about only the benefit of Turing's theory. So on one hand, the theory is very important because it explains how complex patterns can appear naturally from some simple interactions. But on the other hand, many scientists thought the model was too simple, since the real biological scientists they think it involved many gene and many other pathways. So I include both sides to show the strengths and the weakness of the theory. Actually, you can see from the controversy. And finally, I try to balance the accessibility with an academic tool. I use questions and vivid examples like the fingerprint and tropic fish, their patterns, to make the science more easier to understand while still keeping the writing more formal and I think than the casual online science content. So actually that's almost all the things I want to talk about my scientific blog. So thank you for listening.